You will find most of the items needed to perform this experiment in your kit. You will also need distilled water, a long stem lighter or matches, a hot pad, oven mitts, and ice. Use the digital balance and a weigh boat to weigh out 10 grams of sodium acetate. Put the sodium acetate in either the 250 milliliter beaker or the 250 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. The important thing is that the container is glass. Do not use the 250 milliliter beaker if it is plastic. Save the leftover sodium acetate in the weigh boat and set it aside. You will need a very small amount later. Weigh 11.5 grams of distilled water and add it to the sodium acetate. Use your spatula to pry open the sterno burner. Lay the lid to the side, upside down, so that the gel does not get all over your work area. Use a long stem lighter or long stem matches to light the burner. Place the burner under the stand. Place the flask on the burner stand and gently heat the solution until the sodium acetate is completely dissolved. Place the flask on a hot pad. You can also use a clay or ceramic tile and allow it to cool for about 45 minutes. Do not disturb the flask as it cools. Extinguish the burner by carefully balancing the lid upside down on the edge of the burner. Use your test tube clamp or metal spatula to slide the lid over the flame to completely cover the opening of the burner. Let the burner cool. Once it is cool, put the lid on the burner right side up and firmly press it into place to close it tightly. To initiate crystallization with a seed crystal, use your spatula to pick up a few crystals of leftover sodium acetate from the weigh boat and drop them into the sodium acetate solution. Reheat the sodium acetate solution until the sodium acetate is completely dissolved. Take the flask off the burner and let it cool. Prepare an ice bath in a container. Use 1 part ice and 1 part water. You can use any container, just be aware if the container is large you will have to hold the flask so it doesn't tip over. Put the flask in the ice bath and observe for crystallization to occur. If the solution does not crystallize, reheat the sodium acetate so that more water can evaporate. Be careful not to overheat. Add more ice to the ice bath and try again. Refer to your procedures for final steps, including taking pictures and recording observations. Pour all the solutions down the sink with plenty of water and clean your workspace.